Cinema saw a turn in perspective upon the entrance of color. It emphasized and paid heed to so many aspects of understanding, a vibrant entree served by the filmmaker to the audience. Amelie is one such film directed by Jean-Pierre Jeunet and starring Audrey Tautou. It's a story of an innocent girl living in Paris discovering her identity and love through the journey of the film. Struggling within her own isolation, she decides to change lives of those around her and share universal warmth, and this is showcased with the use of a highly distinctive and recognized color palette. The movie seems to be portrayed through a singular filter, casting greens, reds, and yellows throughout every frame. The color scheme helps us understand Amelie Poulin's character and share her emotions. Casting a golden glow over every frame, the movie glorifies Amelie's surreal and dreamy world, visually paying due respect to the magical city of love, Paris. A common motif used in the film is the process of digital intermediation, a digitalizing process used to manipulate and emphasize certain aspects of film through color filters. The first color we are introduced to is red. At the very beginning of the movie, little Amelie is seen playing with red cherries, raspberries, which is known to be a passionate fruit, and even her fish, which is red. All this symbolizing her passionate, energetic young mind. The motif continues on as the film progresses to represent her childhood alongside of the development in her character. Soon we notice that even the color of her home revolves around red, almost like a representation of her vibrant soul, a childish purity with a yearning for love. Shades of green are noticed in combination with red in almost every scene. Green, symbolizing hope, comes across in scenes such as meals with her father and even the color of the jacket of her potential romantic partner. As well as red and green, yellow is also commonly seen throughout Amelie. In many cultures, yellow stands for bright and lively, which indicate happiness, warmth, and comfort. Many scenes are shot in yellowish light to indicate the sunlight of spring and acts as a metaphor for Amelie's current peaceful state of mind. Furthermore, yellow also creates an unreal and almost surreal feel to the film, which mainly stands for Amelie's fantasy carried throughout the storyline. As Amelie takes us along with her in her journey to enrich mediocre lives, she grasps onto a fantasy-filled euphoria from the joy of spreading happiness and soon discovers love herself.